I'm going to download and install Citrix Xen Server. And what we can do is we can download the demonstration files for free simply by doing a search for the demo download. And once you get there, you can go to the download evaluations and trial software. What I did was I went ahead and downloaded the files, and there's 3 files you want to download for this installation. The first one is going to be Xen Server 8. This is an ISO file, and this file is going to be installed on the host server where you're going to be hosting your virtual machines. It's going to boot into a version of Linux, and then it's going to install the Xen server on there, followed by the management agent, which you install on the virtual machine after you create it. And that allows for additional control from the Xen server itself. So let's install Xen Center on this Windows server. I'm going to click Next, choose everything's going to be installed on the local hard drive. And I'm going to choose for all users, just in case I add any additional users. And I like to create a shortcut on the desktop. And I'll click Install. Once this is installed, I'll be able to connect to any servers with Xen Server installed onto it and create virtual machines. So I'm going to launch Xen Center for the first time. I would like to show you how to install the Xen server itself. However, it can only be done from console, and I can't remote into it while it's doing the installation. But we boot off of the ISO file after it's been burned to a DVD or CD because it's only 600 megabytes. And then after that, you run through the installation simply by clicking Next until it's done, and then it restarts. After that server restarts, it tells you what IP address it's running on. Now I know it's running on .198, so I'm going to go ahead and type in that address. And I also know what the username and password is to access it. And now I'll click Add. I'll choose to automatically accept the certificate, click Accept. And I'll choose OK. And now it's showing me that I'm running on an IBM server. I'm going to choose to expand all, and I can scroll down and we can see the certificates. You can see I'm running on a trial edition at this point, the version of Xen server that I'm running, and the management interface. I'm going to click on local storage at the top, and here it shows me I have around 400 gigabytes that I can use for installing a new virtual machine. And that's all there is to installing the Xen Center onto a Windows computer. You can also install this on a Linux computer. And from there, you can connect to your Xen server and start creating virtual machines.